So bete, cube of a binomial. How can we find a cube of a binomial? In chapter number 3, cubing of binomial by using formula. The formulas here we can use two formulas. Asya, x plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube, right? X plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube. So beta, if we are taking the first formula, x plus y whole cube, we get x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay, remember this formula? We have learned these formulas in our physical classes. Remember? First cube, first term cube, and the second term cube, and in the center we get, why we get 3? Because there is a cube. So what we have discussed, that we get 3 here, and first term square into y, and the second term square into first term. Clear? X cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Now in the same way, beta, x minus y whole cube, the formula is same. The difference, what is the difference? The difference is only of this minus sign. If the minus sign is there, what will we do? We will do here plus sign, and we know that there is no need to write the plus sign. We get plus, minus, then plus, and then minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, so these two formulas are we are going to use these two formulas when we have to cube any binomial. Any binomial. Find out the cube of x plus 2. First, write down the formula. Here the binomial containing the plus sign, so we can write x plus y. We can use the formula here, x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay, plus y cube. So you all are there with me. Let me check. Okay, what happened? Jay, Umar, Arib, Hania, Halima, Fatma, Subhana, please switch on your cameras. Ali, we have joined the class right now. You are late. So bete, according by comparing the question with our formula, your x is equals to x and your y is equals to what? Your x equals to x, right? Your x equals to x by comparing the question with the formula, and your second term is y. So there y is equals to 2. So here let x equals to x and y is equals to 2. Now, in the solution, just put the values of x and y in the given formula. So here, what we have done, Jay Kumar, what we have done, bete, just put the value of x here. We get x is equals to x, y is equals to 2, and then whole cube. Okay, then first term is x, so we get x within the bracket cube plus from the formula 3 from the formula, first term square, whole square must be there, then second term is y. Y means here y is 2, so we have written 2 over here, right? Then plus from the formula, then 3 from the formula, first term is x, second term is 2, and second term containing here y square, so we have written 2 within the bracket with the square. Now plus second term whole cube, second term whole cube. Please remember this, that whenever you are solving this question, kindly write down the value of x and y within the bracket. Number 1. Number 2, you have to solve this question in 3 steps. Okay, how many steps must be there? 3 steps. Okay, now this is the first step. What will be the second step? You have to find out squares and cube. You have to find out squares and cube. So you get x whole cube, we get x cube, right? You get x cube. Let me show you this step properly. Listen, x cube, and here write down 3 as it is, x whole square. You have written x square within the bracket, okay? And then 2 is copied as it is. Now 3x is written as it is. 2 whole square means 4. Okay, now 2 whole cube means 2 is multiplying thrice. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, step number 1, put the values. Keep remember these steps. I will ask you, I will unmute you, and I will ask you that what is the first step and second and third step. Okay, and in how many steps we have to solve this question. Tick. So this is the second step. We have to find out cubes and a square. And what will be the third step? We have to just remove these bracket and multiply these terms. So here x cube plus 3 twos are 6, x square, 3 fours are 12, x plus 8. This is our final answer. Can we solve it further? Can we add these terms? No, obviously not. Why? Because all the variables are having different powers. We cannot add these variables because all the variables are having different powers, right? So here we have solved this question in 3 steps. In the same way, I have taken one more example to make your concepts clear. The question is 2a plus b. Okay, 2a plus b. So again, this is the plus over here with between the binomial, between these two terms. You can see plus sign is there, so we have to use the plus formula. By comparing the formula with the question, we get x is equals to 2a and y is equals to b, right? Then what we have to do, just put the in the solution, in the heading of solution, just put the values of x and y. X and y, just put the values of x and y. So your x is 2a and your y is, x is 2a and y is b. Y is b, right? Clear? Now here x cube is there, so I have written 2a whole cube. 2a whole cube plus 3 from the formula. Then x square means 2a whole square, y means b, then plus 3. 2a is your x and b whole square is your y, and y cube, here y cube means b whole cube. Clear? This is the first step. Just put the values. Step number 2, finding the cube. Bete 2a whole cube. What is the meaning of 2a whole cube? It means that 2a is multiplying thrice. 2a is multiplying thrice. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. And here a into a is a square, and a square into a is, we get a cube. Here we get a cube. Okay. A, and we have to write cube over here. Okay. A, and we have to write, what we have to write? We have to write cube over here. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, a into a is a square, and then a square into a is a cube. Is it clear? I have to write a cube. Clear? Now 2 into 2, here 2a whole square is there in the second term. What we have to do, bete, 2a is multiplying twice. Okay, 2a is multiplying twice, so 2a into 2a is equals to 2 twos are 4, and a into a is what? When bases are same, power will be add. So we get a into a is a square. So here we get 4a square within the bracket. Don't forget to mention the squares within the bracket. Especially I'm talking about the second and the third term. Okay, after finding the square, please make the brackets, round brackets also in the second and the third term. Okay, here you get 4a square, b is written as it is. Now here in the third term we get 3 and 2a as it is. B whole square means b is multiplying twice, we get b square, and here we get b cube. Clear everybody? Now bete, 8a cube and b cube, first and the last term, is already solved by us. Now let's solve term second and third. 3 into 4 is 12. Then a square into b is a square b. 3 into 2 is 6. And a into b square is ab square. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Okay, so the next question is, find the cube of a plus 1 over a. Now again the plus question is there, so x plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube is there. So the formula is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So here your x is a and your y is 1 over a. Y is 1 over a. So we get in the solution a plus 1 over a whole cube. This is equals to what? First term is a cube, then 3 plus 3 is from the formula, then x square means a square, then the second term is 1 over a. Kindly write down the value of y within the bracket, then plus 3 from the formula, right? Then x value is a. Y square means 1 over a within the small bracket, and square must be written outside, please. Square must be written outside the bracket. Now y cube means 1 over a whole cube, and cube is written outside the bracket. Clear? Step number 1, just put the values. Step number 1, put the values. Now step number 2, just find out the squares and cubes. A cube, first we get a cube, then plus 3 is written as it is. A whole square, we get a square within the bracket. 1 over a is written as it is. Now plus 3a is going to be written as it is. Now 1 over a whole square means that 1 over a multiply with 1 over a. Okay, 1 over a multiplying twice means 1 into 1 is 1 over a into a is a square, a square. So we get 1 over a square within the bracket. Clear? Now 1 over a whole cube is there. That means, what is the meaning of this? The meaning is that 1 over a is multiplying thrice. That means 1 over a is multiplying thrice. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. We get 1. A into a is a square. A square into a is a cube. When bases are same, power will be added. We get 1 over a cube. Last step is, what is the last step? Just simplify it. Okay, just remove the bracket. Better let me explain this step to you. First and the third term will be written as it is. Here we have to solve the second and the third term. In the second term, you can see that a square, what is written here? What is written here? It is written that 3a into 1 over a. Beta 3a square is there. A square means, what is the meaning of a square? A square means that there are two a's. Okay, a into a is a square. A into a is a square. A square means a is multiplying twice. Am I right? What is the meaning of a square? A is multiplying twice. That means in the numerator 3a into a is there. Okay, so when we solve it, we get 3 into 1 is 3, and here 1a, and in the denominator 1a will be cancelled, so in the numerator we get only a. In the numerator we get only a. Why? Because 1a, a ones are a ones are a will be cancelled, only a is left in the numerator. So what we get in the answer, we get 3a. What we get in the answer? In the second step we get 3a. Okay, first term and the last term will be written as it is. The second term is going to be 3a. Now what about the third term? Bete, third term, let's solve it together. Third term. Now the third term is 3a into 1 over a square. That means 3a multiply with 1 over a square means 1 over a square means a is multiplying twice, right? This must be equal to what? 3 ones are, we get 3, and 1a in the numerator is cancelled with 1a in the denominator. So what is left? The left is a, but a is in the denominator, not in the numerator, so we get 3 over a. We get 3 over a because there are two a's in the denominator. So 1a and 1a will be cancelled. We get 3 over a. Is it clear? Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear? Any question? Yes, Sheroz, you have any question?
I want to ask that
Yes.
in multiplication, if we would add the exponents, then in division we would separate it.
Um, can you show me your copy? What would you like to ask? I cannot understand. In the multiplication, exactly, we are going to multiply the exponents. What we are going to
Add,
add the
add.
add sorry, we can add the exponent. And one second. Okay, in multiplication we are going to add the exponent. Okay, a into a is a square, but when a over here, listen, if a over a square is there, a over a square is there, what will we get? 1
Say
a, no, we get a over a into a. Am I right, Sharoz? Say yes or no.
yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, so 1a and 1a will be cancelled. But there is a square written in the denominator. ठीक है ना? There is a square on a. So 1a and 1a will be cancelled. A ones are a ones are a. We get 1 over a. 1 over a. 1 over
Thank you,
a.
miss.
1 second, Sheroz. 1 over a, and here the power of a is plus 1. Okay, here the power of a is plus 1, and if it will moves in the numerator, just look at the simplification. If it will move in the numerator, it will becomes a raised to the power minus 1. Got it?
Yes, miss. Ma'am.
ठीक है ना? It will
Yes, thank
becomes
you.
a minus 1. Okay, a raised to the power minus 1. Clear now? Everything
Yes,
is
miss.
clear?
Thank you, miss. Thank you, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. So, any question, students? So here I am. Let's start with the classwork, bete. Here is cube question 1. You have already written the index, right? So the question is find the cube of 2m plus n. Write down, write it down, please. The question is 2m plus n. Everybody write down the question. 2m plus n. 2m plus n. Hamza Kashif, you have joined class very late. Where were you, bete? I have already marked the attendance. Afra, you were also not there in the first session. Okay. Now I am going to allow you to write down what was the problem, Afra and Hamza. Kindly mention what was the problem. Where were you in the first session? Muhammad Umar, Ali, complete this question quickly, bete. I hope you all have copied this question. Now I am going to ask you to share your videos. Hamza, Hamza and Afra. Afra, kindly unmute yourself, bete. Afra, unmute yourself. I am asking you again, please unmute yourself. Students, quickly switch on your cameras. Umar, Ali, Saad, Hamza. Hamza, you have the camera. Please switch on your camera. Yes, Saad Khurram, you have. You can unmute yourself and you can give me the answer. Saad, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Saad, unmute yourself, bete. I am asking you to unmute you. Saad.
Miss, can
Yes,
you
Saad.
ask the question, Miss, again?
Yes.
Miss,
What's
tell
the
the question
question?
again.
Which question, bete?
Hello,
The question is find the cube of 2m plus n. Saad, which formula we have to apply?
Miss. X plus b cube equals to x square plus 3x y 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y square.
Y cube, bete cube आएगा,
Y cube.
right?
Okay, yes.
Y cube. Okay. So here we have to use the plus formula. Very good. So what is our x and what is our y? Where is Saad? Saad, where are you? Yes, Hamza Kashif. Hamza Kashif, please on your video. Saad, what is our x and what is our y? So many students are raising their hand. I want Adan to please unmute herself. Adan. Very good, Saad. Shabash. You have written your answer in the chat box. So here is Adan. Adan, bete, what is our x and what is our y? Quickly give me the answer.
X is 2m and y is n.
Okay, can you please tell me which formula is going to be applied? Can you tell me the formula?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
3x cube plus
3x cube? X cube.
x
X cube.
cube plus x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube.
Okay. Adan, in how many steps we have to solve this question?
Miss, in 3 steps.
In 3 steps. Very good. What is the first step, Adan?
Miss, write down the 2m plus n whole cube
Okay. Okay,
equals
very
to
good, very good. So here, what is the first step? Hania, what is the first step, Hania? Step number one, Hania. Hania, step number one is
Miss, I'm showing you my video. You can see that.
okay. So here is Hania's. Okay. So here we can see the 3 steps are there. Very good. We get 8m cube plus 12m square n plus 6mn square plus n cube. In how many steps we have to solve this question?
3.
3. Acha, Mohammad Arib, you have mentioned your answer in the chat box. Bete, in the last term, we have to write cube. Okay, your answer is a little bit wrong. We have to mention n cube. Arib, I'm telling you. Okay, you have mentioned your answer in the chat box. And 12m square. In the second term, we have to write down 12m square. Okay, your answer is wrong, Arif. Kindly check out Hania's work. This is the correct solution. Now let's check out. Good, Hania. How many steps are there? Here, Sumaya is there. Yes, Sumaya. Yes, Sumaya. Halima.
Miss, 3 steps.
3 step. Step number one.
Uh, Insert the value.
Put the values. Step number two.
Solve the first and the last term.
Yes, solve the cubes and the squares. Solve the cubes and the square. And the third step is
Solve all the terms.
yes, multiply all the terms. Okay, good. Halima, show me your work quickly. Only 2 minutes are left. Now, one by one, we are going to check the work. Afra, you are not switching on your camera. Very good.
Just
Perfect. Shabash. Next. Now, excellent. Next copy. One by one, here is keep your copies on your screen. Everybody. Here is Shero's copies on the screen. How many steps are there? Let's check. Y is equals to n. बिल्कुल सही. Formula is correct. Very good. But how many steps are there? How many steps are there? 2 steps are there. I want 3 steps. I want 3 steps. Step number one, Sanya, value putting. Step number two, just find out squares. And step number three is multiply all the terms. Okay, multiply the brackets. It's correct. That's correct. Now Rumesa Abid, very good. Rumesa Abid. Okay. Rumesa Abid is here. Correct formula. Good. Rumesa, very good, bete. Shabash. Rumesa, have you made correction? Have you made correction in the last question? Okay, that was Rida, sorry. Okay, Rida is there. Yes, Rida. Show me your work. Okay, that's great. So this is all for today. I